Hey guys, Garrett back with another unbagging video. I got a Valpak uh, from work again, Ollie's Bargain Outlet. And the reason why I got this one today is because, it's a what if. I'm a huge fan of what ifs. This is issue one. I'm not 100% sure what series, but it's what if the Avengers lost the Evolutionary War, and it sounds awesome. I can't wait to read it. Looks like late 90s, late 80s, early 90s, I want to say. The one on the back, though, I'm not too excited of. It's Transformers, War Within. And honestly, I might not even read this. Probably just going to end up giving it to my kids or something, but let's dive in and see what we got here. And I opened it, but I didn't look at anything, just prepared it. Alright, so the next one is an ad. Flip it around. Kids of the Round Table. Alright, Action Lab. I'll give this a read. First, I kind of thought that was Sauron or Saruman or whoever he is, but looks like modern day kids. See, he has glasses up here. It looks like Johnny Quest. So yeah, looks like it could be fun. Probably, meant for a younger audience, but I'll give it a read. Something else that might be going to my kids, but alright. Let's take this one out. This is the one I'm going to read as soon as possible. And we got another back. Alright. These need to be packed away a little better. Alright, what's this? Ares. Oh, Dark Avengers. Nice. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna definitely have to give this one a read. Looks like it's a 2 of 3, a mini-series, so that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun one. Alright, the back of this has Dynamite on it, so I'm guessing this is one of their works. Yeah, we'll see what this one is. Flash Gordon. Also from Dynamite. Alright, I can see myself getting into this. I'm a huge fan of epic space operas, and that's what Flash Gordon is. Black Terror. That sounds mildly racist. Yeah, it looks like Dynamite tried doing a super reverse. Whatever. My third Dynamite. See, I'm actually a pretty big fan of Dynamite, As you saw from the last one, I geeked out a bit whenever I found the Ash versus the Army of Darkness. So this is pretty cool. Alpha and Omega. I'm guessing that's the kids up front. Who knows? I don't know much about it, but hey, it's gonna be a fun read. Alright. Just kill that. Celebrating 30 years. Awake. This is another one from the Action Lab. The guys from the, third comic I showed you. The Kids of the Round Table. Looks supernatural-ish. She has a Hufflepuff scarf on, so that's pretty cool. That guy looks like the dorkiest badass ever. Alright. He's either the dorkiest badass or the most badass dork. I can't really tell. And, oh, shit, yeah, Cable. Pardon my language. And it looks like an old man Cable. It's issue 3, $2, so that's 93 I see up there. So that's not a bad one. It's probably worth $2 today, so we're good. I never realized how much Cable looked like Judge Dredd until now. It's kind of the same color scheme, except the shoulder pad should be gold. Should have a helmet, but oh, alright, Doctor Strange, and this looks like an Infinity Gauntlet crossover. Nice. That's Doom, Dark Doom. I'm not sure what Dark Doom is, but it's pretty sweet. Sorcerer Supreme. Alright, and I just found out by looking at this bag earlier that these Valpaks come from ndcomics.com. I don't know what that is. Don't know. But I'm going to check it out here in a little bit. Maybe give you some more information on it on my next video. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Later.